The motto of a Freemason is brotherly love, relief, and truth. Relief is what we in common parlance call as charity. But the concept of charity to a Freemason has a much wider amplitude than mere physical acts of charity. Individual Freemasons and lodges have been practicing this concept of charity throughout the ages all over the world. Sometime in the early 1980s, the Freemasons of Bangalore felt that a collective act of charity would have a better impact than mere individual Freemasons and lodges practicing it. Thus was formed the Bangalore Freemason Society.
Bangalore Freemason Society was formed in the year 1985 at Bangalore. Under this society, we have taken up a lot of charitable projects, like we started the ACT program, the scholarship program, and the children clinic program, and thereafter we built this old age home which is called Tara Old Age Home at Raja Rajeshwari Nagar.
The infrastructure at Tara is what every home has plus more. Well-appointed rooms, attached bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with staff to provide healthy and homely food, a dining area, a recreation room, a meditation room, and an open terrace ensure that the residents feel totally at home.
The qualification to join the old age home is that one should be a senior citizen above the age of 65, and those people who have been literally discarded by the families, whether it be the sons or the daughters, they come and join us, and they have been with us, some of them, for the last about 8 years.
We have various activities going on in our old age home, like bhajans, discourses, lectures, music concerts, dance programs, and children from nearby schools come and entertain our seniors.
20 elder citizens live the latter part of their lives at Tara in respectability and emotionally no different from the earlier part of their lives.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರಣ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಲು ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಒಬ್ರನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸೇರ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಾದ ಸಹಾಯನ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಖುಷಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಮನೆಗಿಂತ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರಹ ಅನಾನುಕೂಲಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸುಖ ಸಂತೋಷ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಕೊರತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
From beginning to morning ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲವರೆಗೆ life goes on smoothly. ನಾವು இப்பதான் வந்த மாதிரி பார்த்தா அதுக்குள்ள more than 10 months over இங்கே.
With great support from the members of our Bangalore Freemason Society, we have been able to run this organization well. We have been able to have a lot of facilities here. They have been generously donating for our organization. Our Bangalore Freemason Society also runs a vocational training center. We do free tailoring classes for low-income group women. We teach tailoring, embroidery as well as tassel making. It has been very helpful to them. They are able to earn and support their family.
The Bangalore Freemason Society also focuses on the welfare of children through the Masonic Dhanvantri Children's Clinic.
Masonic Dhanvantri Children's Clinic has been recognized as an important referral center not only by physicians, family physicians, doctors, other specialists, but also by patients themselves.
We provide all the pediatric services. Any vaccine that's available in the market, we do all the immunization to all the children. Everything is done free for the patient. We have an average attendance of about 100 to 150 per month.
The Bangalore Freemason Society also provides monetary assistance to deserving individuals to help meet costs of medical emergencies and treatment.
ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿರಿಬಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಆವಾಗ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ.
I had a bilateral cleft palate. So till now I had around like 8 surgeries. So all the surgeries were done by Dr. Anantram itself.
ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ತುಂಬ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಆವಾಗ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ನೀನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ತುಂಬ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇದುವರೆವರೆಗೂ ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ 25 ವರ್ಷ 8 ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅನಂತರಾಮ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ.
The main benefit I've got from this is I've got a very beautiful face. Because when I was born, I don't know how I was, but now I feel like I've become really very good.
ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
All these surgeries which are performed on patients when they are admitted are provided totally free, and this is thanks due to the efforts of the Bangalore Freemason Society particularly, and the individual Freemasons and the lodges which have sponsored the surgeries and the hospitalization costs.
We also have a scholarship program where we provide scholarship to the deserving children in different schools of Bangalore.
The ACT program of the Bangalore Freemason Society calls on each member to adopt, care and train a child for 1 year for a small sum.
The Bangalore Freemason Society has recognized and supported our school since the year 1987 by giving scholarships to over 140 students coming from extremely disadvantaged and vulnerable backgrounds.
This means a lot to the children from the lower income strata. It enables them to pursue their academics.
నేను బాగా చదివి బాగా ఉన్నాను కాబట్టి నాకు ఈ స్కాలర్షిప్ వచ్చింది.
இந்த ஸ்காலர்ஷிப்னால் கொஷின் பேங்க் புக்ஸ்லாம் என்னால் வாங்க முடிந்தது. அதனால் எனக்கு போர்டு எக்ஸாமினேஷனுக்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும், யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்.
ఈ కాస్ట్లో నేను సోషల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేసి అండ్ నా ట్రీట్మెంట్ చేయించుకున్నాను, స్కిన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ చేయించుకున్నాను.
These scholarships have become prestigious landmarks for recipient scholars and are looked forward to by students as well as educational institutions.
These scholarships provide relief and a lot of encouragement to our students as well as their parents.
என்னை பின்பற்றி வர மாணவர்களுக்கும் இந்த பெங்களூர் ஃப்ரீமேசன் சொசைటీ மூலமாக హెల్ప్ఫుల్గా இருக்குன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன்.
మా పేరెంట్స్ అసలు చాలా రుణపడి ఉంటారనేసి బెంగళూరు ఫ్రీమేసన్ సొసైటీకి చెప్పాను.
I'll ask my friends to perform well and get this scholarship from Bangalore Freemason Society.
You have just seen some of the activities of the Bangalore Freemason Society. Let me assure you that there are many more such activities being conducted by the Bangalore Freemason Society. The Bangalore Freemason Society is a society of Freemasons of Bangalore formed for the welfare of the society at large. So be a part of it by becoming a member and by contributing to its many philanthropic activities.